Assalamualaikum, a very good morning. Today our topic is Unit 2, Appreciating Others. We continue our lesson last week. So we start off with Activity 1. Okay, the question, why must we appreciate what we have? Okay, why must we appreciate what we have? Okay, these are some of the reason why we have to appreciate what we have. Okay, for example, we appreciate what we have to show our love and appreciation. Okay, we appreciate what we have to remind us or me that I'm important, and we appreciate what we have to make me laugh when I want to cry. So, for example, we need to appreciate our parents because of what? Because to show love, because to show that I am important or we are important. And when we sad, we need our parents. Okay, we want to hug our parents, to make us laugh again. Alright, so a very simple question with 3 possible reasons and answers. Alright, next one. Okay, thank you in other languages. Okay, in this diagram there are some of the words that describe thank you. Okay, you need to identify all the words here and then write in the Bible map. Okay, for example, we have arigato. Arigato, that means thank you in Japan. Okay, Japanese, they say arigato, say thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Okay, so write arigato here. And then we have shukriya. We got asante, we got salamat, we got dikuji, we got vinaka, what else? We got kia ora. Okay, so look at the words and write the word here that means thank you. Alright, thank you in other languages. Okay, next one. Okay, write messages to show your appreciation. Refer in your textbook, page 16. Okay, I highlight this to your father. That means you can write complete the message to your father regarding on maybe his birthday, or maybe you want to wish your father to have a speedy recovery, or maybe you want to wish your father to best wish of good luck for maybe he sit for important exam or whatever. So need to identify, okay, what you want to wish, but to your father. Okay, or maybe you want to wish your father birthday. Okay, alright. Next, okay, this one is to your mother. Maybe you want to wish your mother during Mother's Day, during her birthday, during an anniversary. Okay, choose one, but to your mother. And the last one, create this one, write a message to your teacher. Alright, to your teacher. You want to wish your teacher birthday, or you want to wish your teacher during Teacher's Day. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. Create the 3 cards with beautiful messages. Okay, refer in your textbook, page 16. Alright, you can take some phrases in the internet. Ask your parents, good wishes, happiness. So there are 3 cards here you have to complete. You have to write the messages, good messages for them. Okay, for your father, for your mother, and for your teacher. Okay, next. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all for now. We will meet again on next week. Okay, next we will be a difficult task because it involving grammar and writing. Okay, today's activity is regarding on how we want to express our feeling to our beloved one. Okay, to express our feeling, to show our appreciation to others, to write something that perhaps they can make them happy, can make them feel important to you. This is good thing that we want to make sure our appreciation to others. Okay, teachers, your parents, your friends, and so forth. All right. So that's all for now. We will meet again. Remember to do your homework. You are awesome. All right. Okay. See you next week. Bye bye.